Are you still writing copy yourself in 2025? Like on an actual Google Docs file, wasting hours staring on that blank screen? In 2025, you should be using AI for every second of your life. That being said, not ChatGPT, Claude, and all these other AI tools. They sound insanely robotic. Smart businesses are using Copywiz, the world's first human-like AI copywriting tool. See for yourself.
تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا عشدنها تكنولوجيا عشدنها تكنولوجيا تكنولوجيا عشدنها تكنولوجيا.
If you'd like to give it a shot, sign up to www.copywiz.ai today and check it out yourself. If you happen to be the next 100 people to use code REELS20, you can get a cheeky 20% off on your subscription for the next few months. Good luck.
Guys, this crazy new AI tool writes exactly like a real freaking copywriter. And people are now starting to question whether it has the potential to replace copywriters as a whole. If this is the first time you're hearing about it, Copywiz.ai is an AI-powered copywriter that was recently launched, and it has been trained on the work of some of the best copywriting figures ever. As you can see in front of you, the copy this AI tool generates sounds nothing like AI. Even crazier is the fact that it helps with all types of copy. You name it: LinkedIn posts, email copy, ad copy, video scripts, social media posts, the whole 9 yards. And again, the copy it generates sounds like it's from a real freaking copywriter. The founder of Copywiz says that it's mostly used by copywriters who are using it to deliver an even better service to their clients. But a growing number of businesses are starting to use it so they don't have to hire real copywriters. With the average copywriter charging anywhere between $3,000 to $10,000 per month, Copywiz is saving businesses tens of thousands of dollars per year, some even hundreds of thousands. Yes, the basic subscription costs only $80 per freaking month, and it can be used to generate all types of content, a level of versatility even a real copywriter cannot promise. Not to mention a whole new ability to test endlessly with unlimited copy variations in seconds. If you'd like to give it a shot, sign up to www.copywiz.ai today and check it out yourself. If you happen to be the next 100 people to use code REELS20, you can get a cheeky 20% off on your subscription for the next few months. Good luck.